at these cactuses. I want to put something a little bit more colourful on. This is the most colourful place I have ever visited, and the best table is it there. I've gone for a massive pizza. What a cool house. The hotel has this roof garden, very nice. And it has another courtyard around the other side here. It is a beautiful day. It's already busy everywhere. Quick postcard stop, only 30 cents. I think I'll go for this one. I think this is the boat we're taking, number 12? Yeah. We're taking the number 12 to Burano. I've got to say good morning. I've just jumped on a boat, the number 12, to the island of Burano, which is famous for all of its colourful buildings. It took about 40 minutes to get across here. It stopped off on the other island on the way called Burano, and so now I'm here. I'm going to have a look around and take some pictures. I brought an outfit change with me as well because I thought I might shoot some for Instagram while I'm here. Oh wow, I can already see the colourful buildings ahead. Have a look. Oh, so cool. That place over there is getting a touch up. Look at these colours. These cactuses. Look at this restaurant, and the best table is it there, because your view would be right the way down here. This house is really popular because it's the Tiffany house.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's the colour of Tiffany, right? Yeah. I've never seen so many colourful houses. This is the most colourful place I have ever visited, and I'm going to take some more photos, but I've had to just sneak down a little back alley because I need to do a quick outfit change because I want to put something a little bit more colourful on for the pictures. Got all the photos that I need, so I think it's time to go and get some lunch. I have seen the pizza. How about that? €4.50, pizza margherita takeaway. And go and sit and enjoy it in the sunshine. Lunch is served. I've gone for a massive pizza. And I found this quiet little park overlooking the water here. That is delicious. It'd kind of be rude not to, wouldn't it, when you're in Italy? The tower here is leaning, and you can really see that if you look from here. You can see that it's leaning to the right slightly. You can see it leaning really well from here. Oh, bang on cue. And look at those succulents. That's the lace making museum over there. So the saying goes that all the fishermen painted their houses in these bright colours so they could see their houses from when they're out at sea. And I guess you couldn't fail to spot these with these colours. So you would be out at sea and you'd look in, you'd say, yep, that's my place there, the yellow one. So many beautiful courtyards here. Look at this guy. I've just got a San Pellegrino, one of my favourites. Take a look at this place. So maybe this person couldn't make up their mind what colour to go for, so they've gone for all of the colours. How about this for my white roof terrace wall, guys? What do we reckon? Should we go for that? What a cool house. It's famous for its lace here. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at all these beautiful tapestries. Wow. There's definitely something about all this colour that just makes you smile. I've just been wandering around with a big grin on my face because I think, I don't know, maybe it's just because it's so cheerful. Maybe because I just had a pizza. I don't know, could be the sunshine. Anyway, it makes you happy here. It's a happy town. What doesn't make me happy is the queue for the ferry that I've just seen. Just bought the boat back, so I'm going to head back to Venice now. It's going to take about 40 minutes. Okay, we've just arrived back in Venice. It is 3:30 and I think that means one thing. It is aperitivo o'clock. So let's go and get a drink. I'm back at the hotel. I've just popped open a bottle of Prosecco. Everything is charging down here, ready to go to the airport. So I think all I'm going to do now is have a nice glass of Prosecco and stand out here on the balcony and watch the world go by. Picked up these Burano cookies to try that are traditional from Burano, so we'll give those a go. Here goes. Oh, that's really tasty. It reminds me a tiny bit like shortbread. It's not as sweet though, it's quite lemony. Nice, but hard. I honestly can't recommend this hotel enough. I mean, this is a prime spot, but the hotel is completely empty. The whole breakfast room is there to be used. You can open up the doors here. You can bring your own drinks in. If you want to use the fridge, there's a fridge that you can put those in to chill. And this is the view. So you can just sit up here with a drink and do one of my favourite things, which is people watching. Put my drink in the flowers. This is my favourite time of day. It's 4:30 p.m. The sun's still up there, it's still really, really hot, but just nice. And yeah, it just feels really relaxing sitting up here. So yeah, I highly recommend this hotel. It's the Casa Martini. It's only a 10-minute walk from the station, and I will link it down below in the description box in case you fancy a little trip to Venice. And also I highly recommend the boat trip out to Burano if you fancy doing that as well. It was really easy and a really, really lovely day out. Oh, and just before I go, I should tell you as well that if you do want to get the boat to the airport, obviously I arrived here by train because I was already in Italy, but if you want to get the boat to Marco Polo Airport, the boat stop is just down there. Let me show you. So you can literally just walk over there and you can jump on a boat right next to that bridge. So yeah, I'm going to end the vlog there. Let me know if you got this far. I always like to know if you've made it to the end, so let me know that in the comments down below. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm posting new videos every week, and there will be more travel vlogs coming for you soon when I go off on my adventures. There'll also be the usual DIYs, hauls and plant videos as well, so lots to look forward to. Thank you so much for watching, and please do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon. Bye. I just wanted to quickly show you the lounge at the airport because it is right up my street. How about this? There are plants everywhere. Nice place to relax before you board your flight.